Hi, I'm Ali Velshi with MSNBC. This week, the Supreme Court issued its decision in a high-profile free speech case involving a public high school student's off-campus Snapchat messages. Joining me is Jeffrey Rosen, President and CEO. Jeff, you and I promised we would have this conversation when this decision came out. It was a near unanimous opinion penned by Justice Stephen Breyer, and what it means as the court is closing out this term. This one's a really interesting one.
It sure is, Ali. It's the most important student free speech decision in 50 years. And to paraphrase a First Amendment scholar many years ago, this is an occasion for dancing in the streets for people who care about free speech. By a vote of 8-1, the U.S. Supreme Court said students do have free speech rights when they speak on social media online. And in his opinion, Justice Breyer gave 3 reasons why we have to protect off-campus speech. First, he said generally parents, not schools, are responsible for disciplining students for what they post online. Second, he said if you could punish people for all their online speech, now that we're living on and learning online, basically students would have no free speech rights at all. And third, and in some ways most significantly, he said public schools are nurseries of democracy. They teach us to be future citizens, and citizens have to have the ability to say unpopular things, to criticize schools and politicians in order to be full participants in American democracy. So all that's great news for free speech. Now, the court did not go so far as saying you can never punish off-campus online speech, and for that reason, there'll be cases in the future that'll sort out these complicated questions. But it's an impressive expression of unanimity by the U.S. Supreme Court. And that unanimity carried through to a bunch of other important decisions that we've seen in the past couple weeks, ranging from religious freedom to upholding the Affordable Care Act to that decision we've discussed about the NCAA. So this is a great term for the Roberts Court and unanimity, and it is a great moment for free speech rights of students across America.
We have seen a series of opinions in this opinion season we have seen unanimity. We have seen decisions that have not gone along with established positions. So it'll be interesting to see how this Roberts Court continues to evolve. Jeff, as always, thank you. Jeffrey Rosen is the president and the CEO of the National Constitution Center.